Remove the cover and connect to USB 3.0 port. Launch GuideCap application downloaded from our designated website. Adjust the brightness with exposure time from camera settings on the toolbar options. Drop a sample and observe. The display magnification can be changed from mode on the toolbar window. Select Measure from the toolbar options to measure the size. Drag the target to show the size at the bottom left of the screen. Select Graph Frame on the toolbar capture to save the data to Picture folder. You can also save the data with G on the keyboard. Remove the sample using water. If not sufficient, wash it after removing the device. Remove the device after closing the software. Wash with a neutral detergent and sponge. Please do not wash the USB terminal. Make sure the device is dry before connecting to PC again.